Good evening. Today is April 22nd and the entire world is observing Earth Day. What exactly is this? As far as the year 2020 is concerned, this is the 50th anniversary of Earth Day, meaning it started way back in the year 1970 in United States of America, and 20 million people they took to the streets and they raised the slogans with respect to protecting the earth. So that was the that those were the years where the people have started looking at the environmental degradation. So we listen to these words, that is environmental degradation. We also speak about this climate change, ozone layer depletion, and so many things we hear about the environment. So now this is the time that we need to protect our planet. That's what they thought in the year 1970, and at that time it was started just in United States of America with just 20 million people. Now it has been spread through the entire world, and all the countries in the world they are observing April 22nd as Earth Day, meaning this is the day that entire world has to focus on the protection of our planet. Fine, that is the reason why. So this particular day has to be remembered, and as far as the citizens are concerned or the governments are concerned, we have to do our best to protect the environment and to protect the earth, and we need to conserve water and we need to reduce the pollution, and ultimately we can help for the protection of the environment. So look at what happened for the last 2 to 3 months or 2 months. This there is no industrial production, there is no vehicular pollution, right? So that is the reason why. So the pollution levels have come down, the pollution levels have come down, and the cleanness in the atmosphere it has increased. That is a good sign to some extent. But on the other side, we are facing a lot of problem with this dreaded virus. But as far as this day is concerned, I would like to show you some information. Kindly hold on. And before we go ahead, I would like to also tell you that there was a change of guard in Madhya Pradesh. Instead of Mr. Kamal Nath, it was Mr. Shivraj Singh Chauhan who became the Chief Minister of Madhya Pradesh on March 23rd, 2020. And starting from that day till yesterday, there was no other minister in his cabinet. He was alone going ahead with the entire administration. But the situation is very, very grim because of this coronavirus. And there was a criticism, how can you operate without the health minister? But definitely you need to have council of ministers with you. That is the reason why 5 ministers have been inducted. 5 people have been inducted into the cabinet of Mr. Shivraj Singh Chauhan, and they were administered oath of office by the governor of Madhya Pradesh, Shri Lalji Tandon. So this is the information. So please remember this, and kindly remember, Constitution says that there shall be a council of ministers. There shall be a council of ministers headed by the chief minister. So that is very important, right? Meaning you cannot continue. Just a chief minister cannot continue for a longer period of time. And if you look at March 23rd till yesterday, it was really a long time, because Madhya Pradesh is a large state. There are so many people who are living, and especially the situation now is very, very grim and serious. Obviously you need to have more men to handle this, more personnel to handle this, and that is the reason why there was a criticism. And of course now a few people have been inducted into the cabinet of Mr. Shivraj Singh Chauhan. Fine, now I would like to open the document and show you points that are related to the Earth Day. Kindly stay on. Look at this. So this is the known one, just now we have discussed. On which of the following days Earth Day is observed April 22nd? Right? We know this and we are going ahead. Look at this. The day came into existence after the environment began to face multiple challenges like oil spills, smog, pollution, etc. right? So after the world started experiencing all these things, this day came into existence, and the Earth Day is observed on April 22nd. This is because this is in order to create awareness about pollution and to celebrate the environment of our planet. So meaning we need to protect our planet. And with respect to the year 2020, it's a special occasion as it marks the 50th anniversary of Earth Day. And every year with respect to this Earth Day, one theme is given, and the theme of the day for the year 2020 is climate action. So the theme for the Earth Day 2020 is climate action, the enormous challenge but also the vast opportunities of action on climate change have distinguished the issue as the most pressing topic for the 50th anniversary. Meaning so much of environmental degradation is happening, lots of pollution is happening, right? And there is so much of global warming, and the land area is shrinking, and our ice, the ice that is present, that is getting melted, and the sea levels are increasing. So many things are coming together, and this is going to be the worst, it's going to be the worst for the future generations. Clear? So that is the reason why now you need to step up and you need to start taking the measures so that we can protect our planet, the earth, and we'll be protecting our future generations too. Look at this. The first ever Earth Day was launched the modern environmental movement, and today it is observed as the planet's largest civic event. Look at this. Long back in the year 1970, on April 22nd, 20 million Americans took to the streets, college campuses, and hundreds of cities to protest environmental ignorance and demand a new way forward for our planet. Clear? Very, very important one. And every time, whenever there is any international meet, we always discuss about this climate change and environmental protection and the measures to halt the environmental degradation, to reduce global warming. So various issues will come up with respect to the protection of our environment, and in turn protecting our planet, that is the earth. Fine. So that's all for the day. I'll see you in the next class, and stay home, stay safe, take very good care of yourself and your family members. Thank you so much.